If you're up for a really quick curry for a midweek dinner, then I have you sorted with this Kangaroo Korma curry. Super delicious, and you only need a minimal amount of ingredients. Now, if you're looking for a big hit of protein, then Kangaroo is a great option for you. It is a fantastic lean meat, great as is, but also great for a really quick curry like this because it cooks quite quickly. I'm also going to add some extra protein to this recipe by adding some chickpeas, another great source of protein, and really nice in a curry just like this. So I've just been caramelising some onions. You can see they're a lovely deep colour. That's what we're after because I want these onions to be super sweet. In with some korma paste. Now, korma paste is a really nice Indian style curry paste. It's from northern India and it's full of lovely things like coconut and many different spices. It's also mild in flavour, not too spicy, so everyone can enjoy this. Cook that off. While that's cooking off, I'm just going to cut one whole tomato. This is going to help form a gravy. We just want to cut them into rough pieces. There we go, 8 chunks. That can go into the curry now, and just toast that off too. Okay, and in with our Kangaroo. This is fantastic because it's already been diced, so no need to chop it. It goes straight in, perfect sizes, and it's all even. And we're just going to fry that off very quickly. I need to season this, so a good pinch of salt. Okay. Now in with our chickpeas. This is just 1 can of chickpeas that I've rinsed and drained off. And you can see already this is really bulking out our curry. Coat that in our korma paste. And the last thing I'm going to add is about 1 to 2 cups of water. And that's it. I told you it's a very quick curry. I'm just going to give that one little stir. Lid goes on. Now, while that's cooking, I'm going to prepare a very quick salad to go with this. It's almost like a bit of a textural crunch on top, a combination of cashew nuts and coconut. Really lovely, fresh flavours to go with our curry. Our Kangaroo Korma is ready to go. It smells fantastic. That sauce has thickened up. And I did cook my curry for a little bit longer, 15 more minutes, because I want this to happen to the Kangaroo. See how that is super tender and the meat is falling apart? That's what we're after. Fantastic. It's a great meat to add to curries just like this. Okay, so before we serve this up, I want to finish off that little crunchy salad that I was making. So we've got the cashew nuts in there, a hint of chilli if you want some extra spice, the coconut. I'll also add the juice of 1 lime. You could also use lemon for this if you don't have some lime. Good squeeze of that in there. And I'll also stir through some coriander. So we'll just roughly chop the coriander. That can go in. And I think this is what makes Indian curries so great, all of the extra sides that you can add to it. So I'm adding this little coconut crunchy salad with the cashew and some yogurt, but there's no reason why you can't add some chutney to the side of this, even some raita, which is yogurt and cucumber together. All right, let's plate this up. So you can also see there all of the tomatoes have cooked down nicely. A protein-packed curry. And that looks good, a bit more of that sauce. I'll drizzle over some of the yogurt and then our coconut cashew crunch on top of that. Lots of that coriander. Kangaroo, super versatile meat. If you haven't tried it before, well, try it in a curry like this. It is delicious. It takes no time at all to put together. Serve it with some jasmine rice. Delicious.